Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to see how the interface of Power BI looks like. So this is the first screen that we get after opening the Power BI. So in here you can see different buttons, like the first one is the blank report, from which you can create the blank report. The other ones are the data sources, which you can select according to your requirement of the data source, like which one you want to choose. If you want to import your data from Excel, then you can select it direct from here, or if you have your data in SQL Server or OneLake Data Hub, then you can select them. If you scroll down, it will show all the workbooks that you have worked on in your past. Like I have worked on these workbooks in my past, then it is showing here. If you want to open any of the workbooks in your computer, then you can select open, and then like you do in your Excel or Word, you can select it from your computer and then open it. So here we are going to open a blank report, and we are going to see how the interface of that report looks like. On the top you can see the ribbon, which shows all the menus like you see in all the other Microsoft products like Word or Excel. So here you can find home, insert, modeling, view, means these menu items are according to this Power Visualization tool. In the home tab, on the first clipboard, you can find all the basic tools like copy, cut and paste, and format painter like in Word, and the other tools we will discuss further. These four buttons you can see here are the different views. Like the first one, if you hover over your cursor, then it is a report view. In this view you can see all the visualization that you create in this canvas. And in the second view, it is table view. Here you can see all the data from all the tables that you import in your data. On the right hand side you can see all the tables that you import. When you select the specific table, according to that you can see your data in tabular form. In the third view, it is a model view. Like if you import your data from multiple sources or multiple Excel files, then you have to create a relationship between those data sources. So creating those relationships of data sources is called modeling, and that modeling you can see in this model view. So here you can see you will see all the tables in this pane, and all those properties which we will further see in our upcoming videos, and you can modify those properties from this pane. Yeah, this is the model view. And the fourth view is the DAX query view, which is the latest view that has been added in the Power BI, and it is the high level DAX query view that you will rarely use in your means when you are beginning your career in Power BI, or when you have just started learning Power BI. So the above three are the most important views that you will use when you are starting up. So coming to the first view, that is report view. On the right hand side you can see all the visualizations. In this visualization pane there are this much types of visuals, and you can find more visuals by clicking on this ellipsis and selecting the get more visuals button, and it will show all the available visuals that are there in Power BI. So you can select and import it in your Power BI report view and select in your report. On the upper pane here, it is the get data button. It seems to be a single button there, but there are two buttons. The first one is this one. Here it will show the all the data sources that are available, and you can select from hundreds of data sources. And you can also search, like if you want to search SQL, then it will search for SQL, and you can select from all these data sources and click on connect. From this drop down menu, here are the quickly and easily available data sources that you will use. Means most probably it will be Excel workbook and SQL Server. So these are available in this option. And These options are also available in these buttons. Enter data button will enable you to enter the data directly in Power BI. So here you can enter all your data, means if your data is small and need not to enter into first Excel and then import it into Power BI, then you can directly get that data, means insert this data in this table. And then in the next button it will show the recent sources like that you have used in the Power BI. This button transform data will open the Power Query editor. Like in Power BI, it is the functionality that when you import the data in Power BI, you have the option to transform that data in Power Query, and where you can modify that data according to your requirement and then bring that data into Power BI. So from Power BI you can go to Power Query from this button. Here are the other buttons of getting new visuals and text boxes. This text box you can also find in the insert tab. Other buttons here are the new calculations and new measure and quick measure, which get enabled when you import the data. And the other buttons are publish and copilot. Copilot is the AI version of Power BI, means here AI gets enabled and it will help you create more visuals and get more insights from your data. The publish button is used when you want to share your report to your teammates or in your company, and for this you have to have the subscription from Power BI, because Power BI desktop is a free version, but Power BI service where you host your Power BI dashboards or reports, you will have to have that subscription service from Power BI. So it is a paid service. So now you know how the interface of Power BI looks like and how are the different functionalities of it works. So in my next video I'm going to teach you how to import the data in Power BI from different sources like Excel, CSV files, or from SQL. So hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon so you don't miss it. Also, if you like this video helpful, then click on the like button and let me know in the comments below what are your thoughts about this video. Thank you.